guys. We'll play for a couple minutes and then we'll take a look at the feed, talk about that a little bit. This dude's running.
Ooh, the Cybot wins.
Oh shit.
Well done. Finish him.
Damn it.
Superb. Reptile wins.
Okay guys, let's check out what's going on the feed.
Fight. Well done.
We got a few people watching. Let's take a look at the spot feed. It's still going strong. Zero dog has gone up 12% in the last 5 minutes. Let's get that into the chat. We'll get into the YouTube chat as well.
Fight.
We're back at it, guys.
Choose your destiny.
Chamsat says we're back, boys, in the chat. Yes, we are.
Excellent.
We're back at it, guys.
Fight.
Chamsat says we're back, boys, in the chat.
Sector wins. Fight. Jax wins. Fight. Finish him. Jax wins.
Oh, my game froze. That's not good. Oh, there we go.
Fight.
Can't figure any moves out with this guy. So that, oh, that's not Scorpion, that's Smoke.
Fight.
Why does he still do the Scorpion thing?
Jax wins. Fight.
Easy as pie, guys. I'm much better at Tekken, to be honest. I'm not really a Mortal Kombat guy. I don't have Tekken though.
Jax wins. Fight.
Shit. This guy's fast.
Wins. Fight.
Why is that guy laughing?
Finish him.
Damn.
Wins.
Alright guys, we're gonna give it another try. Oh, I thought I was gonna continue. Let's do a 8-player combat. I don't even know what that means, but we're gonna try that. Are you guys watching the charts? Or watching the feed? Goro.
Motaro.
Oh, Kintaro. Oh, I guess I need another friend to play, maybe?
Kitaro.
I'm gonna just pick all these monsters, see if it'll let me play. I think they got a lot of characters in this one.
Shao Kahn.
I can't play. Oh, I guess I can't play if I don't have a second player. How do I get out of this? Try and start select. Oh, press. It might take me back now. Okay, there we go. We're probably gonna keep it going for about an hour today, guys. Maybe a little more.
Motaro.
Oh my god, that guy's scary.
Choose your destiny.
You can choose novice.
Excellent.
Like I said, I don't really play this game.
Fight.
Oh, I could just do that. Oh, I hit him with the tail.
Motaro wins. Flawless victory.
Oh shit.
Fight.
Oh,
Motaro wins. Flawless victory.
I got him, guys.
Fight. Motaro wins.
I just kicking this guy's in the head.
Motaro wins.
Damn, I'm good. I'm good at this game. What's next? I'm gonna try to start looking at the feed a little bit more, guys. Okay, so BCB is down by 6% in 90 seconds.
Fight.
I might start losing it, so I'm gonna be trying to watch this feed a little bit.
Motaro wins.
Jedan is up 2%.
Fight.
TCAT is up 4% in the last 90 seconds. Sector.
Motaro wins.
SAT is up by 10% in the last 10 minutes. FMXE N is up 9%. Who names these damn coins? SCB is up by, or is down by 6%, guys.
Fight. Wins. Fight. Motaro wins. Fight.
What the hell? V trading is down by 13% in 90 seconds, guys. And Doge 1 is also down by the same amount. It just doesn't let me continue my thing once I die. Let's get rid of the game for a bit and we'll focus on the charts. Let me get rid of that. Or we'll focus more on Alright guys, we are back. Well, I'm back on the mic. I've been here the whole time watching this shit go down. Let's see what's going on here on these coins. We'll check out a few, guys. Okay, it looks like Moth has gone up by 12%. Look at the chart ready real quick so we can check that out. And I'm gonna put that in the chat too. I'm gonna start putting some of these big changes in the chat. Chat. Okay, and if you guys see something, call it out in the chat as well. Okay, let me get that. You guys can watch this market, and let me get this. Okay, so let's check out the chart real quick. I'm gonna switch it over. Twitch, you're switched over, and YouTube, you are switched over as well. So you can see that 8% jump right here in the last few minutes. This is the 5-minute candles. Let's switch back so we don't miss anything important. Right. And Twitch, you're getting back. Oh, I guess Twitch has been on that the whole time. Oh, sorry, Twitch. What about YouTube? So YouTube is still on the chart. There we go, guys. Let's see, did we miss anything in this 10-minute section? Too crazy going on. So this 10-minute cycle is still going. These are all the spot coins, by the way. It looks like SBCC has gone up by 9%. We'll put that in the chat. About the YouTube chat. I haven't forgot about you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if this is helping you at all. I think I might have my stream on a low quality too, so I'm gonna have to upgrade that soon. Didn't realize I didn't. Some stuff going on though. Let's see. There's some big action here. Me. And I'm not mispronouncing it, it's meme E. It's gone up or gone down 36%. Let's get a few of these copied and so we can get them all into the chat. This Ps1 has gone up 12%. Bobo has got up 26%. Let's get these big numbers in the chat. Boom. Access the clipboard. We can get some of the other ones in. I think that's all of them. SBC, okay, I already got that one in. What else is going on in this feed, guys? Let's check them out. Keep your eyes out. Turbo 1 up 7%. Put that in the chat, guys. Oh, I gotta put all these into the YouTube chat as well. I forgot about that. Keep an eye on the charts or on the feed, guys. YouTube chat as well, so that people on that side can be updated if they miss them. A couple 3%ers could be the start of something, but in a spot market that could also be nothing. Still gonna put in the chat for you guys though. Getting fast at this actually. Let's check out some more. Nova X, oops. Nova X. Okay. Oh, look at this. Euro is up 50%. We'll put those two in the chat. And we can't forget about the YouTube chat either. The cool thing is, I guess, with this kind of content, there's always something to talk about, unless I get lazy, which happens pretty often. Let's see. You guys keep an eye on it for a second for me. Still here, guys. It looks like SWP is down 8% in the last 5 minutes. BIF is up 5%. Dorkl, DORKL. Oh no, wrong coin. Census is down 5% in the last 90 seconds. Bull is up 15%. It's on a bull run, I guess. UPI is up. Oh, wrong coin. Sorry. McCheese is up. Or is down 9% in the last 5 minutes. It looks like the 10-minute cycle is on a rest right now, but it does look like right here we had this aid coin that's gone up 33%. I'll put that into the chat, guys. And that's in 10 minutes, 33% in 10 minutes. I can't forget about the YouTube chat either. Let's keep it going. Alright guys, we're on a roll here. BSPT is up 11% in the last 5 minutes. We got GOME, GOME, up 14%. I'll put those into the chat for you guys. Okay. Taking care of business every day. Yeah, taking care of business every single way. That's right, it's Mr.CoinWatcher here, guys. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, share, especially if you're getting some good trades in with this content. You know, we're all always kind of isolated as traders. So, let's see. BSPT is up 11%, guys. CY Pepe is down 13%. Let's get those into the chat. Can't forget about the YouTube chat as well. We'll get those in here. Get a little faster. Oops, where did I go? Moving right along, 17% down for Reboot. I'll get that in the chat in just a second. Zay Kid down 14%. GMD or GDM up 12%. Let's get those in the chat, guys. I'll get them in there. Okay. Boom. Those are in the chat now. Boom. I have to get them into the YouTube chat. Let's go. Let me know, guys, if you're making any trades with these. Lance says in the Twitch chat that he is in on the EUR coin. Let's check out the chart for that, actually. I'll get the chart ready. You guys keep an eye on the feed. I wonder what kind of position he got in that. I mean, of course, it's gonna be a spot, but that might not have been a good move, honestly, man. Like, if you look at that, there's really very little movement in this coin, even in the. But I guess, when did it come out? When it came out, oh, I've seen this so many times. I would try to get out of that if I were you. Oops, I'm not even showing the trade. I'm not even showing the chart. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna get to the chart. I'm gonna switch to the chart view. Chart. And then YouTube, you're looking at the chart now too. Now. So it's a spot token, so he has to have gotten just a buy position on it. It was up 50%, but it looks like maybe that was just one tick or something. So you gotta be careful with this kind of stuff, guys. If you look at this coin, it's just gone slowly down. And I've seen this happen so many times with these coins on MEXC. They get listed and they just have this huge surge right here, and then they just fall out of the sky. This was back in June. It's almost 3 months ago at this point. I would try to get out of that trade as soon as possible, man. But it's not my money, and like I said, these are not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and trade responsibly. We're back on the feed though. Let me know if you guys see anything going on. Watching on YouTube and some on Twitch. Eventually I'll have to maybe choose one or the other, but I think this is only our third stream, guys, so we're still growing quite a bit. screen. This 10-minute cycle hasn't moved in a while. It looks like there's some movement on some coins in the 90-second. So we got these two right here. I'll put them into the chat. It looks like that is MDR and PEXI AI, whatever that it says. We'll get them in the chat, so it'll make it easier for you guys. Okay. Now the YouTube chat as well. Those are two coins. I'm not gonna look them up right now myself, but you guys can tell me if it looks like there's anything there. 4%, 11% in the last 90 seconds for Fantown, I guess I should say. Fantown, there's a little bit of movement here. TLOS is, oh, wrong coin, sorry. CBT is down by 8%. You know, this would be going so fast, but we have to have a delay in it because or else the numbers would be moving too fast for anyone to even pay attention. But it looks like this one is CML is down by 19% in the last 5 minutes. Get that into the chat. And let's see. I'll keep monitoring for a little bit, guys, and then I might take a small break and just put the music a little bit louder. We'll keep watching for a while, and I'll leave the feed on for y'all, at least for a little bit. Let me know if you want me to switch. You know, let's switch to some of the futures options and see if anything's coming in. So of course the futures is great because you can short it and you can get leverage. So even though you're not going to see these huge percentages like you would see on the spot tokens. I mean, you could leverage a lot of these coins 100, 200 times or 50 times, which I would never recommend. But if you really want some kind of risk, then there's always that for you. I personally try to stay below 10x leverage, even a lot lower than that, with the chances to get lower leverage if I had to. Let's see. You guys can keep an eye on this for a minute. This is the 50-minute cycle here that's running. The report's coming in, and it just started too, so that's good. And the 100-minute cycle's coming in too. I wish these were offset a little bit more, but they kind of have synchronized a bit, so it's okay though. Keeping it going. Hopefully after I stream for maybe a week or so, they'll start giving me a little more exposure. I mean, get the community a little more lively in here. Don't worry though, we'll just keep, the thing is, a lot of people are providing like a lot of technical analysis content and things like that, but I think this is more useful information because the technical analysis is good, but this allows you to kind of make your own decisions as well. And so I think that's important, that you're able to just watch the market yourself and make your own decisions. They're they're not telling you about every single movement on every single coin. So I think that's useful, but this is also useful. So if you're liking the content, then let me know. It looks like the 20-minute cycle's coming in just in time as well. So we got all three coming in right at once. Some good movement here. We have GME. It's up 3% in 20 minutes. And like I said, guys, for these futures assets, that could be a pretty big jump. I'm gonna get those numbers into the chat so you guys can keep an eye on that as well. GME, and I have to get into the YouTube chat too. Some Kwong. Can't forget about YouTube. There we go. And eventually we might have to alternate. Might do some, stream on Twitch for a while, and then do YouTube for a while instead of doing them both at once. But for now, it makes it easier as far as time goes, because I don't have to do twice as much streaming. I can just do it all at once. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, though, and let me know if this is helping you at all. Probably gonna put it on. I'll probably take a quick break in a minute and just put the music on, and then we'll probably get some games going again, and I'll try to make it a 2-hour stream this time. And then maybe later tonight, if I just had some coffee, so maybe later tonight I can do another hour or something like that. I would just leave it running, but sometimes people aren't really watching. No one's watching if I am just running without any commentary or without any games or anything. So I probably will stop it after I'm done. I've run it all night a few times, but then I get some spam messages and stuff like that in the chat that I can't really attend to till I get up. Let me know, guys, if this is helping you at all. Let me know if you see any opportunities, if you've made any trades, or if you've lost any money or made any money. It's important to hear about the losses so we can learn and not make the same mistakes that other people are making. Hopefully not lose so much money. Get some more reports in coin as well for the spot trading. For the spot trading feed, we'll get one for like a 50-minute or a 100-minute or something like that, or 2 hours, somewhere around there, maybe 4 hours. So we can keep you guys updated with some longer time frames as well. We just have to get some time to crank out the code for that. Looks like the 100-minute cycle is on its resting now. The 50-minute is still running, the 20-minute is still running, and the numbers are coming in. Polygon for a little bit. And guys, I'm still here monitoring the chat. I know the music's a little louder than normal, but you can always mute it if you don't like it. Anyways, I'm still monitoring this whenever these 2 cycles finish. This is the future cycle for the 20 minutes. This is the report for the 20 minutes. So pretty much if you're new here the last time, 20 minutes ago, this program made check the prices for all these assets, and now it's doing its next cycle to see what's changed. And we have reports for a lot of different time frames. Right here is a 50-minute. Right here, it's still, the numbers are still coming in. These are futures tokens. So, you know, if you are, maybe the percentages might not be so high, but if you have leverage, or if you're shorting it, then you know there could be some opportunity there. We'll keep this going until they're finished, and then we'll find a different cycle to watch. Alright guys, it looks like that cycle is over with. So we are gonna turn the music down a little bit. And we will move over to a different cycle now. Keep the music going, but it's a little lower. Let's see what's coming in. We'll check the other futures one right now. So these reports are already in, and who knows when this 20-hour one is gonna come in. These are always coming in. I think we should just watch the spot for now. Okay, so we got some excited stuff going on. Okay guys, meme Tau is up 19% in 10 minutes. Let's get that in the chat. You can't forget about the YouTube chat, of course. Okay, Bobby, B-O-B-Y, is up 13% in the last 5 minutes. SAI1 is up 16% in 90 seconds. Let's get those in the chats. Get them in the chat. Let's see what else is going down in the feed, guys. Oh wow, so PIVN is up 62% in the last 10 minutes. Let's see if there's anything else going. We're going pretty fast here. Catching a lot of stuff. Bobo up 20%. We'll get these in the chat for y'all. Eventually, maybe it would be nice to be able to just leave it on all night. But we'll have to maybe turn off the comments, and I think maybe it would only work if we actually had some more people watching. I don't know, it'll be worth it if. But we'll get it. We'll get there. We're just, like I said, we're just on our 3rd stream today, and so we're doing pretty good. I'm happy that we got this going. It's something I've been thinking about how to share with people for a while. So it's nice to see, nice to have a way to do it now. It looks like BSPT is up 10% in the last 90 seconds. YIDO is up 17% in the last 5 minutes. Let's get those in the chat. And like I've said 100 million times, this is not financial advice. This is just purely information. You can use it however you'd like to. YGT or WGT is up 9%, almost 10% in the last 5 minutes. FTRU is up 57% in the last 5 minutes. And these numbers just keep coming in. Okay. Get those in the chat for y'all. I know Chamzat's watching, but he's saying he can't comment. He's saying in the YouTube chat that he can't comment in the Twitch chat, so I think he went over there. We got those in the chat. We're gonna hit 2 hours soon, and we might stop it then. But we'll see if people are still watching. We might let it play for a while. And also might just come back a little later tonight once I get some stuff done. Like I said, when I do the next stream, I'm gonna try to see if I can do a better quality output. I think right now it's at 720p, which I'm not sure why it defaults to that, but it doesn't seem too crisp when I look at the stream. But we'll get it fixed. We'll see if we can. Let's keep an eye on the feed and see if we have any big changes going. I'm not gonna put it into the chat, but GCAT is up 13%. ELE is down by 22%, almost 23% in the last 5 minutes. Euro is up another 50%. I wonder if that was just like a tiny little back and forth jump. That I've seen those crap coins do that, where they just sit there and then every once in a while they'll go a tick up or a tick down. It's really frustrating. I've had money stuck in a coin, some of those coins before. BEG is going up 14% in the last 5 minutes. RBX is down almost 9% in the last 90 seconds. LOTT lot is down 5% in the last 90 seconds. Doge1 is down 12% in the last 10 minutes. RBX down 8% in the last 90 seconds. I've been getting this warning for this sponge, whatever. Maybe it's not listed anymore. But this should be updated each cycle with the coin list, so maybe MEXC has it listed some way that this program's still picking it up. SciPepe is up 12% in 10 minutes. Tax Farm up 20% in the last 10 minutes. Pokemon up 3% in the last 10 minutes. DCC down 17%. Here we go. In the last 90 seconds. Let's take a look at that chart real quick. See if that is anything interesting to talk about. I can remember DCC. I'll leave it on the feed for y'all, and then once I get the chart ready, we can look at it together. I know there was another one that I had moved right before I switched screens, so let me know if you guys see some movement in the chat. Switch over to the. I'm in the wrong. I'll switch over to the chart in just a second and see if anything's going on with that DCC. It could be just one of those crappy coins. Yeah, it does kind of look like that. It depends on how much you zoom into the chart. I'm just not even going to show this coin, honestly, because it's not worth even switching the the stream over. Cabosu TH is down or is up 19% in the last 90 seconds. HDN is down 8% in 10 minutes. GDM is down another 60% in 10 minutes. I think that one had went down earlier as well. A lot of these are just normal ebb and flow. Sophie is up almost 30% in the last 5 minutes. Kafu is up or is down 6% in the last 5 minutes. REL is up 12% in the last 90 seconds. Nothing going on. We're almost hitting 2 hours mark, guys. So like I said, we'll probably end it there. And I think I'll come back a little later tonight. We'll call some more out though in the meantime. Cat dog down 4% in the last 90 seconds. AI Pay down 12% in the last 90 seconds. T-Gram up 60% in the last 5 minutes. CHWY down 29% in the last 10 minutes. PL and NGH both down about 22% in the last 10 minutes. Epic O, EIPIKO up 9%, 5 minutes. Fight Pepe up 9% in 5 minutes. KLS and MG8 both down about 7% in about 5 minutes. HAD, it looks like that one's up 22% in the last 90 seconds. And Ranker is down 13% in the last 90 seconds. XRPayNet is up 9% in the last 90 seconds. Box AI is down 9% in the last 5 minutes. ZTK is up 27% in 10 minutes. RMT up 17% in the last 10 minutes. We can go all night with this, guys. These never stop. They don't get tired. VTP is down 50% in the last 90 seconds. RMT is up by 17% in the last 10 minutes, sorry. NBNA is down 12% in the last 10 minutes. I think I already did the VTP. That's 50% in the last 90 seconds. WFT, that one's down, or that one's up, down. My brain's not working right now, guys. I think I do need a break. That one's down 15% in the last 90 seconds. So I think we will be cutting it at 2 hours for a little bit, guys, so I can let my brain rest. Maybe I'll leave the stream on for a few minutes, for a little bit after I stop talking. last few minutes, I'll actually put some of them in the chat. And you remember, guys, these are the spot tokens. So there's no shorting on these, and there's no leverage on these. So although some of the percentages are big, depending on the coin, it might not really be that much. So you really have to take it on a case-by-case basis. And also, remember that this is not financial advice, and I'm not like an expert trader or even a really good trader in any way. So this is just a program that I've made and a tool I use, and I want to help other people use it. I think it's like a good tool, and I think it's kind of cool. So let me know what you guys think, if you like it, if you think the stream is actually interesting. If not, then maybe I could switch it up to something else, but I think this is kind of unique, and I think it actually is useful. So we'll see if we can get some more people in on the community. If you like the content or find it useful, please like, subscribe, share. I think on Twitch it's to follow. Let's see. Let us know in the chat what's going on with your trades. If you've had any luck, or if this information has been useful at all. We also have, if you're new here, we have the same kind of feeds for the futures market on MEXC, and we probably have something coming for KuCoin. But a lot of the same information could be used on KuCoin as well. It's just not specific for KuCoin, but I think we could get something done pretty soon if people are actually interested in that. And we could probably get something done for other exchanges, maybe Gate.io, maybe BingX or something like that. I know BingX is cool because it does have some good commodity options and things like that. So that would be cool to track. And I know that in the future we have plans to get one set up for Radium, which is the Solana, which is one of the Solana exchanges, one of the main ones that pretty much any coin that's launched on Solana will get listed on eventually, or pretty much right away. So we have something in the works for that, but that one's a little more complicated because it's kind of hard to display that. Most of it is really just coin addresses and things like that, and there's a lot of coins with the same names, so it would kind of be hard. But maybe at some point we can find a way to have that on some kind of other site that people could just copy the coin addresses, or excuse me, it would link directly to the addresses of whichever coin it's actually talking about. So that one's a little more complicated, but this is a lot more straightforward. You know, MEXC is safe, and not to say that these coins necessarily are safe, but you know at least that you won't get trapped completely into a trade or something like that, or you won't just get completely rugged, which you could still get rugged, but I guess it's a more like gentlemanly way to rug you once it's already on an exchange like MEXC. So as you guys can probably hear, my voice is getting a bit tired too. And where are we at in the stream? We just hit 2 hours, so that's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna call some more out, so I'll do that for a few more minutes. And then we'll probably leave it playing for a couple more minutes after that, and then we'll end it until later tonight. We got Chomsat in the chat still, Zen Money, and Lancelot. Lance something. Let me know if I haven't heard anything from any of you guys anytime recently, so let me know what's going on. I think Chomsat was in the YouTube chat and he said he couldn't comment here, so I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe he got banned or something, or he's in some kind of little Twitch jail or something like that. But we're gonna keep chugging along. I'll start calling out some of these in a minute. put him into the chat at least for a couple minutes. There's always something going on with these feeds. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay guys, we got TX20 is down by 20%, 21% in the last 90 seconds. We've got IBAT is up 21% in the last 10 minutes. We'll get those in the chat for y'all in just a second. Era is, we'll get these both together, or all three, oh no. So Era and G-Stop are both about a 20 to 22% gain in the last 5 minutes. We'll get those in the chat for y'all. Sun AI is up 21% in the last 5 minutes. Okay, CFN, that's up 7% in 90 seconds. And like I said, y'all, it's it really depends on the coin whether 20% actually is actually substantial, or even for a certain coin, 7% could be more substantial than 20% could be for one coin, so you have to take it on a case-by-case basis. I'm gonna get those in the chat though. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the mic off for now, but if you guys have anything to say, I'll be here for a few more minutes and then I'll have to cut the stream. And so that's fine though, we'll be back in a couple hours. Not sure exactly when, but be soon. Let's get another comment pin, so anyone who happens to tune in knows what's going on. Thank you guys very much for tuning into this one. We'll be back later tonight and then tomorrow. And the next day after that, of course. I'm gonna get this comment pinned and then I'm gonna crank the music up a little bit and mute my mic and let the feed roll for a little bit. And then I'll stop.